Welcome back, all you wonderful Austroflamm and RIKA owners out there. How you doing? I have had, in the last week or so, several individuals that I've helped troubleshoot their stoves, and they come to find out that they might have 1, 2, 3, who knows how many things wrong with their stove. They're just like, that's it. You know, I've done the Austroflamm thing long enough, and we're ready to move forward with something else. That makes me sad. Very, very sad. I even had one gentleman that told me that he was giving up on the stove, and he took it to the scrapyard before I seen his email to tell him, please don't, because that stove can last another 30 plus years when somebody like myself can completely rebuild it, refurbish it back to almost close to showroom new, and go to some other homeowner that can become part of the Austroflamm family and heat their home for many, many years to come. Some of you out there have obtained these stoves secondhand, third hand, yada, 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 and they are loaded with inferior parts, meaning inferior as in cheap aftermarket parts. That has affected the reputation that Austroflamm has had from day one of the highest quality pellet stove ever made. And people will get a hold of them, you know, not necessarily with the intent of turning them into a noisy, inefficient stove, but maybe that's all that they could afford when it was their heat source and they couldn't afford OEM parts. So they fill them with Chinese parts that are short-lived, they are noisy, they make the stove inefficient, and it's something that I really hate to hear when somebody gets to the point to where they're just not willing to put any more money into the stove. I get it. Okay, we all have our ups and downs in life, you know, to where we have inconveniences from, you know, life just going sideways, and sometimes that affects our financial, you know, situation to where we have to do what we have to do and put those cheap parts in the stove. Especially as of this year, there is a lot of inferior parts out there, which, you know, if you're watching video after video after video, I keep mentioning that there are individuals out there that are representing Austroflamm parts and they don't know anything about Austroflamm. So they get a hold of a part that they believe will work in an Austroflamm, and they're pushing them out the door for really cheap, which is very it's what drives people into purchasing these inferior parts, is because they're so inexpensive. And they kind of figure, or they rather figure, that if they're selling Austroflamm parts and they're acting like that they know what they're doing and they're supposed to be reputable, which they may be in other manufacturers that they sell parts for. But I'm telling you right now that the majority of the parts retailers out there are clueless. Okay, I had one guy, he called me up and he was just saying, hey, I seen your video, and where do you get off, you know, saying that I'm, you know, clueless, after he told me who he was. I'm just like going, all right, man, you know, if you want to go there, I just want to ask you, because I know who you are, because I know that you're selling parts out there that are creating a lot of issues for my clients. Can you tell me how to turn up an auger setting on an Austroflamm?
Can you tell me how to adjust the combustion fan on an Austroflamm, or measure the voltage combustion fan in order to determine if the combustion fan is failing or not. Can you tell me, which should be very easy, what direction does an auger turn for an Austroflamm?
This guy had zero answers. I basically said, look, man, you know what? This isn't getting us anywhere, but you are creating a lot of problems. I'm not attacking you. You called me, so that's why I'm telling you how it is. I'm sure you're going to keep selling the parts, but I'm sure that eventually your reviews and all of the negative comments about selling Austroflamm and RIKA parts is eventually going to affect you in a very negative way. Yeah, I got a little bit hot under the collar, right? But honestly, these companies are setting you up to fail by offering cheap retail prices on components that have no business being sold out there that states they are made for Austroflamm and RIKA. Let's get back to you out there that are getting rather tired and fed up with having to fix your stove. The majority of that getting fed up more than likely came from over the years finding that there are no technicians out there that can assist you or that you can call upon in your area, city, county, state, that can keep your stove up and running and replace parts and so forth, right? That creates a lot of problem. But now that I have well over 100 troubleshooting videos out there for Austroflamm and RIKA, that's all I specialize in. I do sell other pellet stoves. I do assist clients with these other pellet stoves, but I don't make videos on them. I only focus on Austroflamm and RIKA because I truly believe that it is still the best pellet stove that is made. And I say that, and every time I say that, I get some type of feedback in a negative manner from people that are representing the high quality pellet stoves that are being manufactured today. Does that make sense? I have been Austroflamm's biggest fan and supporter and representative for a long, long time, since 1990. Please do not throw those stoves away. If you have struggles in life and you just can't find somebody to fix it or help you with any problems, because instead of throwing it away, contact me. I will buy it from you. I will be fair in my offer, and all you'll have to do is set it on a crate, strap it on. I will help with the shipping labels from your location. We can even help assist in having the stove picked up, but you will have to at least put it on a pallet and have it ready to be picked up. Well, I'm 62 years old and I plan on doing this for as long as I possibly can because I really enjoy working on these stoves, representing these stoves. Most importantly, I love helping you all out there that need the assistance, which is nowhere to be found. Anywhere. Well, that's not true. You might have one or two technicians, which I know that are still out there, that have been working on and representing Austroflamm as long as I have. I'm not the oldest around, okay? But it is something that if you do get to that point, make a few bucks, okay? I'll help you with that. And I will make sure that your stove does go into somebody else's house to live another day. It's a real quick clip just to let you guys know that we've had a couple of questions recently in regards to, do we accept trade-ins from old Austroflamms? What do you think? Yes, we do. Now, unfortunately, we've had individuals say, hey, I'd like to trade in my old Austroflamm for a new RIKA. Well, unfortunately, many of you already realize that RIKAs are no longer being imported. Austroflamm was made from the early 90s up to 2005, RIKA's 2006 up to 2009. So they decided that they were gonna stop importing them, which was a very sad day. But hey, let me give you some good news. You can take your old broken down Austroflamm, barn finds, even a stove that's been sitting outside for who knows how long, that's just a rust bucket. I'll buy it from you, due to the fact that I can take a barn find and I can turn it into a gorgeous unit that represents a brand new unit. The brand new Austroflamm units normally go for, brand new refurbished that is, goes for around $29.95, okay? And I can tell you we give a 3-year warranty on all of our stoves, which is the best warranty that you're gonna find out of any pellet stove out there. I guarantee it. Why do we give a 3-year warranty? Because we work on them, we build them, we know the quality of the parts that goes into them and how long that they last. We are going to start making videos on the RIKA 2 due to the fact that we finally got somebody that traded one into us, and we are going to keep it in order to make all of the videos like we are doing with the Austroflamm Integra. Okay, so you guys hit that like and subscribe button so that you can see all those videos. Hopefully those of you that have been watching us over the years have gained confidence in us that we're here to help you and make sure that you keep that stove burning, especially in the winter months when the snowflakes are falling, the rain's pouring down. That stove stops running, Mama becomes unhappy. We're here to make sure that Mama stays happy. All right, you guys stay safe out there.